eggplant with onion and garlic and a pinch of salt. So this is what we're going to have. We need to have 2 eggplant, 1 onion, and 2 cloves of garlic. Let's go and preheat the air fry machine. We're going to do a start. We're going to use the 2 baskets, and we're going to click match cook. And we're going to find that we're going to click air fry, which is 390 Fahrenheit, and we're looking for 3 minutes to preheat this machine. 1, 2, 3, and we're going to do a start. Now we're going to wait for the machine to preheat, and we're going to cut the eggplant, the 2 eggplant, and we're going to open and the top a little bit right here and the top, and right here and the bottom. And we're going to use 1 of the garlic, 1 of the clove, and we're going to peel. And we're going to peel this garlic very quick. And then we're going to cut it up in 2, and then we're going to insert inside of this eggplant right here in the top. Remember, in the top. So we're going to open it up. You see that? You guys can see this a small cut. And then we're going to introduce the half of the garlic right there. See that? Right there. And then it's going to make sure this flavor go inside of the eggplant. And then we're going to open it up a little more right there, because we need to cut in the garlic inside, and they're going to be so delicious because we're going to put it in the half of the eggplant. So we have it right there. You see, very simple and very good. So it's ready. We can put it in the basket or the air fry, and then going to roast it for between 20 minutes. So let's wait for the preheat, and then we can move forward. Right now I finished to fill the eggplant with the garlic in the top and the bottom. Remember, I match with 1 of the glass bottle I have. This one I have soy sauce here, and then I match a little bit the clove of the garlic, and then I cut it out half. So you don't have to be fancy, you don't have to buy a special match for the garlic. I use the very simple thing. 1 glass of bottle, and then I match, and then I cut it off in 2, and I fill in the top and the bottom of the eggplant. Now we're going to proceed to put it in the basket for 20 minutes. Let's go, and then we start the air fry, and then we're going to put match cook because we're going to use the 2 baskets, and I'm going to press air fry 390 Fahrenheit. So let's go open the basket, and then we're going to put it in the top here. 1, be careful because it's preheated. So, and then we're going to use the second one and close the 2 baskets, and then we're going to looking for 20 minutes. Remember, 20 minutes we're going to cook. So 20 minutes is right there, and then we're going to start. Press start. Now they're going to cook. The air is going to flow inside the 2 baskets, and they're going to roast the 2 eggplant, and then we can proceed with the second step. Now we're going to proceed to cut it out the onion, and then we're going to peel the onion. I cut it out in 2, and then I'm going to peel this onion. And then I'm going to slide the onion. I can cook in the pot and prepare for the eggplant. So remember, this is a simple recipe. You don't have to be professional. So I I work the whole day, so I try to make something very simple, easy, and quick. Let's cut it out the onion in two, and then you're going to chop the onion. Very simple. Remember, I cut it out the half of the onion and cut it out in two. I can have it even pieces, and it's going to cook even. So very simple, and I have right there. You see, ready for the pot. Now we have the onion already chopped. Then we're going to use this spoon. I like the wood spoon to cook for a cook, and then they cannot stick wood. They're not going to stick in your pot. So right now I have oil, olive oil in the pot. We're going to put it in medium, and then we're going to drop all the onion with the olive oil, and then we're going to fry the onion. And I like this pot. This pot is one of the best pot I have because they not stick. Usually I like Princess House. This is a Princess House pot, and then I love it. So they are a little pricey, but they're very good. I have for many years. And then we're going to move and putting, like fry all these delicious onions to medium fire. So let's go move it, and then you will see a little caramel color in the onion. So we're waiting for the eggplant to be roasted, and then we're going to drop it inside the pot, and then we're going to continue the process. Now our onion is cooking. It's already cooked, and then we're going to split around the pot, and our machine is already off. Let me off this fan, because I put the fan to be able the heat going out, and then my smoke detector cannot go and pee and doing start turn it on. So we don't want that. So that's the reason I use the fan. Then we're going to take out the eggplant from the basket. You guys see how delicious is that? Wow. Be careful, please be careful, because it's really hot. And then we're going to put it in the board, and we're going to bring back the basket very carefully. I don't want any of you guys got burned. This is very easy to cook. So then we're going to cut it out half of the eggplant. Look how easy I can cut it out. And then we're going to open it up. Looking, wow, it's so good. You see, guys? Very good. It's fully cooked. Then this is the part we need to use it. And how we take it out, the whole meat, all the vegetable from the eggplant. We're going to use a spoon. Let me bring you a spoon. And I'm going to use this spoon to take it out, all that vegetable inside. You see how easy to remove? How easy to remove. I love this because it's so easy and quick. I like to take it out everything. I love eggplant, and I know that you guys love eggplant. Let's go bring the bowl. And then we're going to put it almost close to the pot, and then we're going to take out this delicious vegetable, drop it inside. You guys can hear the pot and the oil. You see the half of the garlic there, and then look how good. I love it. So full cook. This air fry is amazing. I love it. Let's make my life easy. I'm very busy. I work a lot. I work long hours. And then also we're going to take it out the other half of the eggplant. And then we're going to drop it inside. You see? I love it. And this is, look how good is a little chunk of the garlic. Later it's going to disappear in the pot because we're going to, cooking. Looking how delicious is this. I love eggplant. It's good for your body. It contains a lot of minerals, you see? I have my jar with habanero. I put vinegar and jug of onion. So I cut it out some onions in a slice, and then I drop it in this container so I can give you a kick on my eggplant. So I already put a little piece of the habanero to give you the kick. The kick I love. Kick is good, and a little kick, you know. If you don't like so much spicy, don't put in too much, but a little kick is good. And then I'm going to use my pink salt from the Himalaya. This is a natural salt. They're not going to affect your body, but you have to using, you know, with responsibility. So let's go and having a little pink of salt in the whole pot because we want to season. And then we're going to move the whole pot and make sure we cut it out. We cut it out. We try to split all these pieces from the eggplant, and then we can having small pieces, and we can, you know, eating and putting nicely in our plate. And then I love to cut it out very well. It looks so nice, you know, so delicious with a lot of onion, garlic, pink salt, habanero. And then we have the whole dish. Very simple, not expensive. So, and then it's taking very short time to cook this delicious recipe. So now it's ready. Love this recipe. So make sure you guys follow me and YouTube and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much, and practice this good recipe. Cook for your family. It's going to be very quick, easy for people like me. We have a very short time. We work so long hours, and this is the best recipe, healthy and quick. Thank you so much. God bless you.